Arro Card customer support is handled primarily through its mobile app, so the fastest way to get help is usually from inside your account rather than searching for a phone number online. By the end of this video, you'll know the different ways to contact Arro Card support, when to use each option, and how to get your issue resolved as quickly as possible. If you're already an Arro customer, start by opening the Arro app and signing in. Most account-specific support options are available only after you log in because the support team needs to verify your identity before discussing your account. Inside the app, look for the Help, Support, or Contact section. From there, you can usually send a secure message, review common support articles, or find the latest contact options available for your account. This is the best choice for questions about transactions, payments, account access, or card-related issues because your account information is already attached to the conversation. If you can't access the app because you've forgotten your login credentials or changed phones, visit the official Arro website. Look for the support or help page where you'll find information about recovering access and submitting general support requests. If your physical card is lost or stolen, don't wait to contact support through social media or email. Use the card management tools in the app if they're available, and report the missing card immediately. Acting quickly helps prevent unauthorized purchases and allows the company to issue a replacement if needed. Before contacting customer service, gather the details you'll probably be asked for. Have your full name, the email linked to your account, the last few digits of your card, if you have it, and the date and amount of any transaction you're asking about. Having that information ready makes it easier for the support team to locate your account and understand the issue. If your question is about billing, rewards, payments, or application status, check the Help section first. Many common questions are answered there, which can save you time compared with waiting for a response from customer support. To sum it up, the Arro app is usually the fastest place to reach customer service. The official website is the best backup if you can't access your account, and having your account details ready helps speed up the process. Your next step is simple. Open the Arro app and bookmark the support section before you actually need it. If you found this guide helpful, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward explanations of credit cards and personal finance tools.